Hey, welcome to Mankitchenrecipes. I'm Kevin, and thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep bringing the videos. So for right now, let's check out what we got cooking. Hey, I'd like to give a shout out to the guys over at Mesa Sand and Gravel. Today we're going to do some beef sticks thanks to them. I made these, they got to try them out, and they requested that I did a video on them. I do have to apologize though, I didn't show adding the seasonings to the hamburger, but it's very simple. Just follow the instructions on that box from the High Mountain Jerky Cure and Seasoning. You just add the seasonings, the right amount per pound, and then per pound add 1/4 cup of water. I'd like to thank you guys, the ones that have subscribed to my channel. Keep watching, we'll keep bringing them, and thanks for your request. Okay, so after you get your meat all mixed really well, you pat it down really good, get all the air out, get some cellophane, put it over the top of just the meat. I usually press it right against the meat so that no air gets on it. And then you'll want to refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours. You can go overnight. I went overnight. So just like that, throw it in the fridge. So here's the next day. Take the cellophane off, and then it's time to load the jerky gun. Yep, it's a jerky gun. It looks just like a caulking gun. It works just like one. You push the button, pull it back, you know, and when you have the meat in there, pull the trigger. You just take off the tip. Put your meat on inside there, and then put your lid back on. Here I are putting the meat inside. Try to get it down in there, and with my spoon I'll push it down all the way with each bit of meat that I put in there. So try to avoid any air pockets in there, so when it's squeezing out you don't get any breaks in your beef sticks. So we'll skip this a little bit. Okay, so here I have the tube full. I am using a 1/2 inch tube on here, which is the beef stick size. They make smaller ones, but I think this is a really good size for it. And you just pull the trigger and get the meat to come on up. And then start making your sticks on your tray. Okay, so here I have the jerky gun already loaded up. You just put the hamburger meat in the tube, and then just squeeze the handle. It's like a caulking gun, except you've got hamburger meat in there. And you just squeeze it out until you get down to the end and just kind of pinch it off. That's all there is to it. Okay, we are gonna do some, this is hamburger. I'm using 80/20. You should probably use 97/3 or something, a little more lean. But I'm going to try it with the 80/20. Do some Slim Jims or beef sticks, whatever you want to call them. We're running the Pit Boss today on P5. Right now it's at 145. Go ahead and get these in here. It should get up to 160 and hover right around there. Let's get them in. This is 3 pounds that I'm doing. This is how much 3 pounds makes. Alright. We'll check these every hour or so. I may show you 1 or 2 of them. I won't bore you with all the whole cooking time. This could take anywhere from 3 to 6 to 7 hours, but we'll just watch them, see how they go. Look at those. Look how nice. And that's only after 1 hour. Look at that color. Okay, well, we'll keep checking it. Oh yeah, look at that. These are looking really good. Okay. I think I'm going to roll these over and just let them keep going. 4 hours, about 4 hours and 15 minutes. Thinking these are about done. Might go another 30, just for good measure. Looking pretty good though. Yeah, we'll go another 30. 4.5 hours in. Why not? Call these done. Get these off of here. And I'm going to get them onto paper towel. They're a little greasy. This is some 80/20, so it's extra greasy. Of course, you can just dab them off, let them cool. Might even vacuum seal some of these. Man, they look good. All right, let's get the other ones off of here. Tray 2. Here's the third one. Okay. So, this is the beef sticks that you can also make with that High Mountain jerky seasoning. So I decided to go for it. And they look wonderful. This piece here. Get the sunlight. They look really good. Can't wait to taste them. I'll give them a try here in a sec. Okay, that's it. I'm going to give these beef sticks a try. Oh man, these are good. I used the pepper blend again. I added some red chili pepper flakes to it to give it a little bit of heat. Man, okay. Thanks for watching. Get out there and make you some smoked beef sticks. I think you'll like them.